My name is Jason Courtney. I'm the president of Helitech Civil Construction. Helitech provides ground improvement services, either vibratory stone columns, vibratory concrete columns, earthquake drains, and/or concrete modulus columns in the Southeast. So Helitech Civil Construction has a new location based in the Raleigh, North Carolina area. This particular location services Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, and Alabama. And we are proud to be continuing that growth by working at Western Carolina University. Western Carolina University is one of the many universities that we've been fortunate to do ground improvement for throughout the United States. At this particular job site, Helitech Civil Construction is doing a design-build vibratory stone column ground improvement method for Western Carolina University's new building addition for their Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics program. Because of the high dead and live loads on this particular building, Helitech was tasked to design-build a ground improvement system that would achieve in excess of 8,000 pounds per square foot. By doing this, we are able to provide our client with less than 1 inch of total settlement on this particular design. Helitech Civil Construction's VSC design and layout has to take the retaining walls into consideration. Not only the weight of the retaining wall, the soil backfill, and the vertical column load on that particular retaining wall. Helitech is installing uplift anchors on this particular job site because the shear walls have large net tension loads. Therefore, Helitech has incorporated in its vibratory stone column design uplift anchors to reduce and take away any and all net tension loads on these shear walls. Helitech Civil Construction's engineering team was able to design-build a cost-effective solution that was able to save our client time and money.